Welcome back to another episode of Glitch Grind Glow's Glitch Radar. Whether you're a tech guru or just someone who likes to stay in the loop, I've got you covered with all the juicy details of tech news currently making shockwaves. So let's dive right in. First up, it looks like AI is at it again, taking over the world. But not in the Terminator kind of way. This week, we saw another wave of excitement and a little bit of panic as a new AI tool called RoboWriter started making headlines. It's an AI that can write entire blog posts, articles, and even books in seconds. Imagine that. Your favorite blogger might soon be an algorithm. Crazy, right? But before you start worrying about robots stealing your job, let's remember that these AI tools still need a lot of human help to make sense. For now, we're safe. Speaking of AI, this week, some serious action is being taken against one of its darker sides, deepfakes. U.S. senators just introduced a new bill aimed at protecting people from AI-generated deepfakes, those creepy fake videos where someone can make it look like you said or did something you didn't. The bill is all about ensuring there are strict penalties for anyone who uses this tech to deceive or harm others. It's great to see lawmakers stepping in to keep AI in check, especially when it comes to protecting our privacy and reputation. Deepfakes might seem cool in movies, but in real life, not so much. Next up is some not so good news surrounding Meta, Facebook's parent company. This week, Meta agreed to pay a whopping $1.4 billion to settle a lawsuit with the state of Texas. The company was accused of using facial recognition technology without getting consent from users, a big no-no in the world of privacy laws. That's a hefty price to pay, but it's a strong reminder that even tech giants need to play by the rules. If you're wondering how this impacts you, it's a good reminder to always read those terms and conditions, even if it's just a quick skim. Next up, we can't talk about tech without mentioning the ongoing drama between Twitter and Threads. It's like a tech soap opera. Threads, the new social media app from Instagram, has been giving Twitter a run for its money. And this week, it hit a major milestone: 200 million users. Twitter's not taking this lightly though, and they've been throwing shade left and right. Who knew social media could be so competitive? It's like watching a battle of the apps, and I'm here for the drama. If you haven't checked out Threads yet, you might want to, just to see what all the fuss is about. Shifting gears, literally, let's talk about electric cars. This week, we got news that one of the biggest car manufacturers, General Motors, announced they're going all in on electric vehicles. By 2035, they plan to only produce electric cars. No more gas guzzlers. It's a huge step for the auto industry and a big win for the environment. So if you're thinking about going green, now might be the perfect time to start looking at electric cars. The future of driving is electric, and it's quickly approaching. Before we wrap up, here's what you need to keep an eye on for next week. We've got some big tech announcements coming up. Rumor has it, there might be a new gadget or two on the horizon. And don't forget, as always, I'll be here to break it all down for you with fresh insights. If you enjoyed this recap, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss an episode. Be sure to share this with a friend who could use a little tech talk in their life. I'll see you next time on Glitch Grind Glow. Stay curious, stay techie, and as always, keep glowing.